Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. This video is a synthetic wig review. It is on a curly unit from Zury, and this hair was sent to me by Elevate Styles. So thank you so much, Elevate Styles, for sending over this unit. This unit is called Rosa, and this is what she looks like straight out the pack. I haven't even fluffed her out or anything. All I did was cut off the lace. She does have 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, 2 adjustable straps, and she does come with baby hairs. So this is what the baby hairs look like. They're definitely too thick and definitely too long. So when you get your wig, definitely just pluck some of them out or just cut some of them out before you go ahead and try to style it with that many baby hairs. It does look like the ringlet curls at the top are full-blown ringlets, whereas the curls in the back are just like already separated for you, but the curls in the front have not been separated at all. And it does look like this unit is tapered. These curls are shorter at the top than the ones that are in the back. The color that I have is Somme RT Burgundy. Red hair doesn't typically look good on me. My skin tone, my undertones are very yellow and very neutral. So red hair usually does not work well for me, but we'll see how this works out. If you're curious about this unit that I'm rocking right now, I do have a review on my channel, and you can go ahead and click up here or up here somewhere. I never point to the right place, but you guys get the gist. Ooh, this is a bush, you guys. This is a lot of hair. This is a lot of hair. It doesn't come with a part. It comes with a whole lace section right here. It's about 1 inch worth of lace. But you guys, this is a lot. This is a lot. I'm actually feeling like I prefer to use my own baby hairs. So I think I'm just going to cut the baby hairs off of here because I honestly don't even feel like I need them. And honestly, this wig is so bushy. I don't even see why you would even need baby hairs for real, for real. This wig is big. I definitely don't want to manipulate this wig too much. Where is this coming from? Wow, these strands are like dumb long in the front. Awkward. Yeah, I don't know what this is about. These long, like crazy long strands in the front. That was scary. So yeah, with these in the front, they definitely don't match the curl pattern. So you're gonna have to maybe just run your finger down them, so that they don't get frizzy, but so that they will not be so perfect. I'm definitely not feeling these curls in the front. I had doubts that they would blend, and my doubts are correct. I don't know, you guys, this unit is like creeping me out. It's really creepy. I don't understand a lot of things about this unit, and wigs that make me confused like scare me. I'm lost. I'm lost, okay? I'm at a loss for words, and that's rare for me. I talk for a living. So yeah, I mean, I think the unit is cute, and it definitely has potential. My knee-jerk reaction is that it is a little weird. Yeah, my knee-jerk reaction is that this unit is a bit weird. But you can definitely check this unit out on elevatestyles.com. I'll leave a link to where you can purchase, or you can at least take a look at it if you like it. I mean, I think she has potential to be super versatile, but she's really, really big. So before I leave you, I will just do a quick 360 so you can see this unit from all sides. Alright you guys, I hope you like this review. Make sure you're following me on all my social media, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.